Hello scale modelers from YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In this my last video from 2021, I would like to share with you some background information and my build of an iconic Formula 1 car, the Tyrrell P34. The Tyrrell Project 34 was Tyrrell's Formula 1 model for part of the 1976 season, and the entire 1977 season. It was driven by Jody Scheckter, Patrick Depailler, and Ronnie Peterson. Commonly known as the six-wheeler, the P34 was a one-of-a-kind F1 race car, designed by Tyrrell's chief designer, Derek Gardner. The radical four-wheel configuration at the front, all directional, was an attempt by Derek Gardner to reduce the car's frontal area with the use of smaller tires, and thus obtain better aerodynamic efficiency. The Goodyear factory had to produce, especially for the model, for wheels and tires with 10-inch diameter for the front, with two ordinary-sized wheels at the back. The Tyrrell P34 was not a failure, and even managed an important and historic victory at the 1976 Swedish Grand Prix, with both of Tyrrell's pilots, Jody Scheckter and Patrick Depailler, finished in first and second places respectively. For the first, in which would prove to be unique time, a six-wheel model won a Formula 1 race, but in the championship, it presented a practical performance well below that expected by the team. Although the frontal area really decreased, the aerodynamics provided by the nose of the very large car was not the best, and, mainly, the rear wheels continued with the same dimensions as the other Formula 1 cars at the time, which ended up leaving the front area practically the same. The suspension and steering mechanism needed to make the four-wheel steer proved to be complex and difficult to adjust and maintain, and the smaller tires, despite not showing a noticeable deterioration in performance or greater wear, had a very high cost, due to at the very low scale of production. Even though it achieved pretty good results in its first year of action in 1976, changes to the design made for the 1977 season made it uncompetitive, and the concept was abandoned for Tyrrell's 1978 season, and F1 rules later stipulated that cars must have four wheels in total. Curiously enough, despite its good results, pilot Jody Scheckter was quoted calling it a piece of junk. No wonder the project had a short lifespan. The kit is from Matchbox, issued in 1979, number PK-309, in 1/32 scale, and was manufactured under license from the Tyrrell Racing Organization. The car version featured in the kit is the Tyrrell P34/2, distinguished by a more streamlined and all-enveloping body, that was driven by Patrick Depailler, number 4, in the Grand Prix from Canada on September 10, 1977. Even though it's a small scale, 1/32, the kit has some fine details like the monocoque chassis, suspensions, and the engine. I have the kit since the 80s, but I built it only in 2019, and it was a very fun kit to build. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below with any question or feedback. I wish you all a happy new year. See you in the next video.